Dun 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 dee dun. We're doing butt kicking Carolina Reaper popcorn.
Butt kicking?
I don't want to say that word. It says kick yo booty hot.
We made it off camera.
It made me.
There's the bag. I burnt it a little bit. Figured I could burn some Carolina Reaper off for it. Go ahead.
It smells too. It smells. It's super. It makes you cough. It literally
Yeah,
feels
bad.
like. It literally feels like your throat just closed off and you can't breathe.
It does. Where'd we get this? We got this at Cabela's.
Is that where we got it?
Yeah, Cabela's. There's literally, it says,
Carolina Reaper.
yeah, Carolina Reaper pepper. It doesn't say powder or nothing. It shows literally Carolina Reaper.
How can
Kick
you say-
yo ASS.
I said kick your booty hot.
And it said 2 minutes, and I put it in there for, it says 2 to 5 minutes. I put it in there for 2 minutes, and it was like black.
Not even black, but
I mean,
it's
she
still
turned in the
burnt.
sun a little bit. She a little hot.
Mm-hmm.
Who wants to go first?
I'm not going.
Me?
I don't got any.
Okay, but if I go first, you gotta grab that red one right there on the end.
You're older.
This one right here. That one.
No, you're older.
I'll grab one if you grab
I'm
one.
taking this one. Go.
Why don't you do it at the same time?
Yeah, let's do it at the same time.
Go.
Cheers.
You go first. You go
Cheers, come on.
first. Oldest goes first.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ready? Cheers, we can do it.
Mine's gonna get the dust from yours.
Cheers. Go in your mouth. Go.
You go first.
No, we're doing it at the same time.
Is that hot? Wait for it. It's gonna be a creeper probably. I can't open this.
Not that bad.
Did we burn the hotness of it?
No, it's hot, but it's not. It's not that bad. It's not even bad. Watch.
No, it's not.
What did we have last time? What was the other one we just had?
The haunted ghost pepper chips.
Those were hotter. And not that bad. Okay, Bug, I promise. Look, if I can eat it like this, it ain't that hot. It's hot, but
Stop.
it's not even that hot.
You do better with hot stuff than your dad does, and your dad's eating them like it's nothing right now.
It's not that hot. It's hot, but it's like not.
What would you? Not going away. What do you think the hottest video was?
I mean, those Pacquiao chips or whatever they're called.
Chips? What do you?
I had to have milk with
What
those.
do you think the hottest video was, Brayden?
This feels just like it's like warmth in your mouth. It's not.
I think the chips was the hottest.
Maybe,
I don't know. I'm still struggling to breathe in
What do
here
you
right now.
think?
I think it's because I burn it on top of the
What
peppers.
do you think was not the hottest? What do you think? What do you think was not the hottest challenge?
The almonds were easy compared
Yeah,
to
the
this.
almonds were almonds.
Case, can we just do it for YouTube?
The almonds were easy.
This one, it's got no powder on it or nothing. It's just a piece of popcorn. Do it. Ready? Case it. Case it. Case it. Case it.
Brayden, give me your milk.
Yeah, give me your milk.
Just go get him another glass.
Right here, dude. This is milk. Case it. Case it. Case it. Case it. Case
Go get the
it.
milk. Go get the milk.
Grab the milk,
Kason,
right
go
down.
get the milk.
You gotta eat it. Don't just grab the milk. Come on, Casey. It's not hot, dude. I promise. He did that with the almonds.
Just eat the dang thing.
See, it's not even bad.
I can't breathe. Oh God.
Told
What do
you.
you mean?
It's not even bad. You think that's hot?
Brayden, give me that milk.
Well, don't drink the milk. The point is to hold the milk in your mouth. Just leave it in your mouth.
We ain't got no more milk. All gone.
Want Oreo help?
Yeah, there's milk and Oreo. You think that's not hot?
There's not really milk.
Here, try it.
No, I'm alright. I'm breathing it in and out.
Come
I'm
on.
good. No.
We'll just go for another one.
Did the only help?
They're actually pretty good popcorn, but I would not want to sit down and eat a bag of it.
Never eat these.
It's pretty hot. I actually think they have the actual powder or the hot sauce. Oh God. Do you think it was hot? Okay, what was hotter, this or the chips? Mm-mm.
Chips. Chips, boy.
You didn't even have the chips.
Yeah, I did. I did.
So once again, it was Carolina Reaper
Dude,
popcorn.
I had the chips. What does it mean I didn't have the chips?
Yeah, I know you did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So you thought this was hotter than the chips? Chips were hotter.
Which ones do you think were hotter, Kason?
Dude, those sauce is not as hot as Carolina
I
Reaper.
agree with Dad. The chips.
Mm.
Chips are way hotter.
You got a milk stash going on. If it wasn't hotter, then eat another piece.
Dude, I'm dying from that right now. My throat.
You got milk.
Kelly.
They are hot. They are hot.
I can't even breathe.
Alright, guys, I'm doing the outro right now. I want to throw this away.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Make sure you what?
Like.
The Oreo helps.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
And hit that bell. Ding ding dong. Ding dong. And is that it?
Yeah. See ya.
After I'm gonna throw this away.